In this lesson, I will explain to you how to set tab stops in Microsoft Word. So you have to set the tab stops on ruler. A tab stop is a location on the horizontal ruler. So this is the ruler that tells Word where to position the insertion point when you press the tab key on the keyboard. And Word by default places a tab stop at every 1/2 inch mark on the ruler. So see, this is zero point 0.5 every half inch, 0.51, 1.52, 2.53, and so on. But you can set your own custom tab stops as well. So here I have already made a document, and in this document I will show you how to use the tab stops. Tab stops you have to set on your ruler. If you do not have a ruler on your document, then you have to click on the View tab, and then in the Show Group, just click on Ruler, so the ruler will show up on your document. And you can see the tab stop is by default set. This is 0.51, 1.52, and so on. And these are, here you can see the tab stops. This one, this is the left tab. If you do not know what is this, just bring your cursor here so you can see left tab. This is the center one, this is the right one, this is the decimal bar, and so on. So there are 5 different kinds of tab stops, but the most important is left tab stop we are going to learn here. So we have set this here in the left. This is L. In this document, suppose I want to write down the name of the employees who are working in the organization, or they have different profession, whatever. So I will show you how you can write down. So first is, suppose Carla moves and press the tab key on your keyboard, and she is accountant. Second is, we can write down any name, suppose Raj, and Raj is instructor. Then enter. Third, we can write down Ashley Smith, tab, and suppose she is doctor. Okay, we can write down one more name, Robert, and then engineer. See, if you have suppose 10 different employees or 20, when you will present your document, it is hard to read because the Carla Moo's profession is here, Raj is here, doctor is here, engineer is here. So here I am going to show you how to use the tab stop. First of all, you have to select all your this data, right? Without selection you cannot do, and this is, you can keep in mind that it should be left because we are learning left. So where you want to set these profession names, I said okay, it 4.5 inch, this one, right? So just click here, sorry. So your all professions are here. Now you can see your document looks better than before. So this is the function of the tab stop. I will show you. If you will select the center, just remove this, just click the other one, the other, this is the center. What will happen if I want to set here, this is the center. See, this is accountant and instructor is the center of this accountant, then doctor, this is center of this instructor. So again it does not looks good, but if you want you can write down in the center tab stop. I just want to remove it and show you what is the purpose of the, this is the right. So what will happen if I will set right? See, it is the right align. It should start from here, right? It should be a left tab, then it will be more okay, A and I instructor, but this one. So go back to the, just I will remove this and go back to find out where is the left one. So this is center, this is decimal, this is the left one. So where you want to set, I said here. So this is the function of the tab stop. One more thing I will show you. Suppose if you want to write down the date as well in your document, you can write down manually here, but if you want to write down with the help of these tabs or ribbons, so just click on the insert tab. In insert tab you have to go to the text. This is the text group, date and time. Open this, then you can see different formats here. 2018-01-27, Saturday, January 27, 2018. What pattern or what format you want. Suppose I want first one is okay and okay, so the date is here, right? So in this lesson you have learned how to set the tab stops in your document and how to insert the date. If still you have any question, please write down in comment section, and thanks for watching.